This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing power and software, plug the USB-C cable in, or ensure the controller has at least 50% charge. This prevents mid-setup shutdowns. Once done, make sure your Nintendo Switch is updated via System Settings. Updates fix pairing quirks. Now choose wired for lowest latency or wireless for freedom. To pair wirelessly, press and hold the controller's sync button until lights flash. Then open controllers, change grip/order on the Switch. You're now ready to continue pairing and calibrating. You'll now complete pairing and refine inputs. After initiating change grip/order, press the buttons the Switch requests to assign the controller to a player slot. This locks the connection. Next, calibrate both sticks from System Settings controllers and sensors, because calibration corrects drift and ensures reliable aiming and movement. If a game offers sensitivity or dead zone settings, tweak those too to match your playstyle. Make small changes, test in a game, then readjust. This iterative approach prevents overcorrection and keeps controls responsive. Finish by verifying every control. Open controllers and sensors and run test input. Press each button and move sticks so you can confirm correct responses. If you experience latency, disconnect wireless, try a wired connection, or swap to fresh batteries. Low power often mimics lag. For persistent problems, repair the controller, and if needed, reset it by holding sync plus L and R together for 3 to 5 seconds to clear faults. If issues continue, repeat calibration and test again. Small tweaks usually solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.